In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a crack text effect using Canva. This is a fun and creative technique you can easily add to your graphic design projects, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's start by opening Canva. Once you're in, navigate over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the text option. You'll see a variety of text options, but for this project, we're focusing on creating an impactful heading, so go ahead and click on Add a Heading. Now, type in your desired text. This could be anything from a striking word to a short phrase, depending on what you're aiming to highlight with this effect. Next, you'll want to adjust the size of your text. Just click on the corners of the text box and drag it to make it larger or smaller, ensuring it fits well within your design's composition. Alongside resizing, take a moment to explore the font styles. Canva offers a plethora of options, so feel free to choose a font that best fits the mood you're going for. Now that your text is set, let's add those crack elements. Head over to Elements on the sidebar, and in the search bar, type in crack. You'll be presented with several visual options. Select the crack design that appeals to you and matches your creative vision. Once you've placed the crack on your canvas, you might want to change its color. Try matching it to the background color of your page. This way, it blends seamlessly and gives an illusion that the text itself is cracked. Adjust the size and position of the crack to align it with your text. To enhance the effect, you can duplicate the crack by right-clicking on it and choosing Duplicate. Move these duplicated cracks around your text. Feel free to create as many duplicates as needed to achieve the desired effect, placing them strategically to emphasize the illusion of cracking. Once you're happy with the layout, it's time to download your design. Save your work as a PNG file. This format ensures that none of the details gets lost during the download process. With your design saved, open a new page in Canva and upload your newly created file. Once the upload is complete, drag your file onto the canvas. Here, you can change the background color to whatever suits your project best, enhancing the overall effect. Now, click on your image and find the Background Remover option. Click it and let Canva do the work of extracting the background. This process can take a few moments, so don't hesitate to wait patiently. Once complete, you have successfully created a stunning crack text effect ready to impress. And there you have it, your personalized cracked text, achieved with just a few creative steps in Canva. Thanks for following along, and be sure to experiment with different colors and styles to make this effect your own.